Oh, so this part came in broken. That's a good start.
Stop me crying. I know that you will keep me safe, safe from dying. 'Cause you are all I need. The reason I break.
This was just sitting in there. Got it. Yeah. And there we go. The bike's done. I can ride it now. So let's hook up this battery. Although I'm pretty sure I need to flip the battery around. This is probably like the best bolt on the entire bike. In the video I saw of the guy that had this, he flipped it around. So let's get these out of here, because I'm gonna need those in a minute. Nice. Turn signals.
See an RGB.
Turn signals. Brake. Yep.
Nice.
Rear brake. Yep.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Nice.
That's a loud ass horn.
Fuck.
And then. Oh shit, look at the taillight.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Okay, so this has nothing to do with your headlight. It's just the taillight.
Weird. That's really weird.
Yeah.
Why would you need something
But then,
like that?
and then I think one of these buttons changes the backlight.
That's pretty cool. Why?
Oh, there we go, there we go. That's how you change it.
Why is that a
So,
thing?
what color do I want it though?
That
Oh yeah, purple.
definitely
Yep,
purple.
keeping the purple one.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Why is it so close to the exhaust? Choke.
Oh shit!
Let's see. Probably has to get gas into the carburetor. Come on.
Holy throttle, everyone.
I wonder what the issue is. I have compression, you can hear it.
run free and dive into the sky.
We don't make too much of a mess.
Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers.
Sweet. Look at that. Ready?
We are all one color, standing in their way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadows, shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in their shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their
Now,
way.
air filter, gas, and we'll try it. But
Don't put the whole thing, because that way we don't have to.
for now, if I do this, should be getting fuel. I feel pressure in here. Let's see if it starts. So this is pointless now, BT dubs.
Really?
Yeah, it's not hooked up to anything because that's not what controls the choke anymore. We'll leave it out for now, but let's see what happens. The choke needs to be up. Getting gas?
Maybe pull it off, verify it's getting gas. Like, see if any comes out.
Where's the starting fluid? Here, Jordan, you want to try starting it for him?
Yep. Other one, now.
Yeah, go ahead. Wait a little bit. Try it again.
Like much at all. He's giving us a little.
Seeing if we can get gas out of the bottom of the carburetor bowl. So there's nothing in the carburetor. I'm gonna take this off and see if there's any fuel coming out of the fuel filter. Oh, that's the gas tank too empty maybe.
Is this premium?
Yep. They say to use premium. Let me see if I'm getting any gas through the hose first. I want to verify that before we...
Try starting it more
Yeah.
and fucking up the starter.
Yeah.
Now it's leaking out.
Yeah.
Alright, I put it back on now.
But when it's like this, it's not. See what I mean? We gotta get that flow.
So
Yeah. I can see gas in it now. Make sure the choke's up. Okay. Turn off, turn off, turn off. Okay, I gotta, okay, so it works. Nice. That's cool. I gotta fuck with the idle screw. I gotta turn that shit way down.
7K.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I looked at it for a second. I was like, okay, that sounds pretty loud. But fucking, now it's pretty quick. Well, you should probably let it run for a few minutes then.
Yeah.
We gotta fucking charge the shit out of that battery.
Yeah. Okay, try and start it now. It's also using the choke.